Tired of money turning into a marital battlefield? Today, we're diving into the world of money management apps designed for couples, helping you find the perfect tool to conquer your finances together. Let's begin with what couples should consider. First up, joint budgeting. Look for apps like Zeta that allow you to create shared budgets, categorize expenses, and track progress towards your financial goals as a team. Next, expense tracking is crucial. Apps like Mint automatically import transactions from your bank accounts and credit cards, providing a clear overview of where your money is going. Goal setting is a must to align your financial future. Find apps offering features to set joint financial goals, track progress, and celebrate milestones together. Communication is key, so explore apps like Honeydo, which have built-in chat features to discuss spending, ask questions about transactions, and stay on the same page. We've compiled a comparison table highlighting the pros and cons of several popular apps, evaluating their features for joint budgeting, expense tracking, goal setting, and communication to help you choose what fits best. Managing money as a couple can be a breeze. By leveraging the right money management app, you can streamline your finances, improve communication, and build a stronger financial foundation together. Good luck.